terms of cybersecurity, what we're seeing is a lot of interoperability issues and leaks. And so for the most part, about a year ago, standing here at HIMSS, we heard a lot about Change Healthcare. It's almost exclusively the talk track, the large data breach. And so what we think that's done for the most part is actually force organizations and individual software vendors, service vendors, and providers back to healthcare systems to really think about how they're exchanging data and what that interoperability model looks like. Now there's a little bit of governance there as well. The last part we would also always encourage as well is when you're putting in a new system, when you're standing up and implementing, is dedicating the right level of resources. So that is usually technical resources. There's going to be also some QA, etc., to make sure that it's not just we want this system, we want to stand it up, and we want the functionality, but also going through the paces and testing and making sure that it's playing nice, but also doesn't open up a new vulnerability within your system going forward.